Sometimes you replace things in your RV because you want to, and sometimes you replace things because you have to. And on our last trip, we had a couple things go awry. We turned on our TV and the panel was actually broken, so it's time out with the old and in with the new. Hooray, we got our TV back. The other thing that we had to replace, of all things, was the doorknob that goes here into the bedroom. The RV doorknob that was on here, the whole handle just pulled out. Sometimes it seems like something happens. I just picked up a standard one at Walmart of all places, was able to do some slight modifications to the opening in the door to make it work, and now we have a nice solid doorknob yet again.
Other times you replace things in your RV because you want to. For example, one of the very first things we did with ours is we got an RV lock, electronic lock, to make things a little more convenient and more secure. Another thing we replaced by choice was our kitchen faucet. The one that came with the rig was a little bit low budget. It always kind of twisted at the base and it never stayed in the off position, so every time we hooked up the water, you would come in the rig and there'd be water pouring out of the faucet. So we went to Lowe's, got a Moen one. It looks very similar to the one that came with the rig and functions much better.
And the most important thing that we chose to upgrade is the RV mattress.
We love our Brooklyn Bedding Aurora Luxe mattress. It has been so comfortable. Sleep is so important, especially when you're traveling, because you come back exhausted from all your adventures. And so having a great mattress is super important. And the one that came with the RV is a joke. So getting this huge plush mattress that's cool to the touch is just great for when we get back from our hikes and we're tired out and all we want to do is sleep.
The ordering process online is super easy. After the order is placed, the mattress will ship directly to your home. We were able to bring it in, cut the box open, watch everything expand, and within a short period of time, your mattress is ready to be used. We chose RVmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding because we needed a mattress that was specifically designed for the rigors of RV travel. It really is convenient to order from them because they have a 120-night sleep trial. It has a 10-year warranty, free shipping. It's made in Arizona right here in the United States. All of these things gave us the comfort and confidence to give it a try.
We've had several subscribers ask us what we think of our mattress now that we got it, and as we've already told you, we really love it. We've had it for 3 months now. We've even taken it on our big 2-week vacation, so it's had lots of sleep happening on it, and it's good sleep. We do love this mattress. It's very plush, very comfortable. This medium has been pretty perfect. We're both side sleepers, and that's what they describe the medium one as being best for. So this has been great for us as far as our comfort. It's got that cool touch, and I am a hot wife. So having that cooling technology has made it cool and comfortable, and we really do love the mattress and would recommend it to others.
And Brooklyn Bedding has made it very easy for you to get your hands on one of these mattresses. They are offering a 20% discount to any of the Adventure Day subscribers. All you have to do is go to rvmattress.com/adventureday, and you can have one of these shipped right to your home for your RV. Get out and explore, make some changes to your rig. Nothing is more important than changing out that mattress. And that way you're rested and refreshed to get out there, because today is an adventure day.
And now
It's time for a nap.